So here's how to get full score on Vidiq SEO. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your YouTube account, and now here you have to upload any desired video that you want to upload your account. For this, first make sure that you have installed Vidiq Chrome extension. After that, here you have to click on the view full report option, and then you have to enter a title for your video. For this, you can use AI title recommendation by Vidiq, and then you have to enter the description of your video, and you have to make sure that you have used primary keywords on your video. Once you have added a description to your video, now you have to select your thumbnail to add it, and after that here you have to enter your search term that you want to rank for. Once you have entered your search term, now you have to scroll down and you have to click on the preview in search results option. Once you click on it, now it will give you a preview for your video in the search results, and after that you have to go back and you have to fill all other details as well. Here I don't want to upload this video to my channel, so I'm not filling all of the details, so you have to fill all of the details when you are uploading the video. After that, here you have to scroll down and go to the add tags option, and now here you have to add recommended tags by the Vidiq. You have to follow all the prompts given by Vidiq to get full SEO score. If you get full score on Vidiq SEO, then the chances are higher that your video will rank on the first page. Once you have added the tags, now here hit on the next, and once you hit on the next, now at this page you have to add all of these details. To get higher score on Vidiq SEO, you have to fill all of these requirements that are given on the side, and after that you have to click on the next. Once you follow all the prompts given by the Vidiq, now you will get a full SEO score on Vidiq. Then hit on the next and again hit on the next to upload your video. So that's how to get full SEO score on Vidiq.